Driger's Home Builders and Trinity Home Builders are partnering up and building huge luxury new construction homes in the Woodland Subdivision. And if you come out here, you might think that they're almost done, there's not any left. Well, you'd be wrong, because they've just acquired another piece of land right adjacent to the Woodland Subdivision neighborhood, and they're going to be continuing on with another phase here in a few months. So if you're interested in an all brick 4, 5, or even a 6-bedroom home, these luxury gargantuan houses are ready for you. So if you're a military relocation or you're a civilian coming to the Warner Robins area, you definitely want to stop into Kathleen and the Woodland Subdivision and take a look at some of these and see if one of these luxury homes you want to make your permanent home. So if you want to take a look at any of these houses, all you've got to do is come into Warner Robins, go south on either House and Lake Road or Highway 247. Take House and Lake Road to Highway 127 and turn east, or 247 to 127 and turn west. Woodland Subdivision is right in the middle, and they're getting ready to connect the first phase of the Woodlands to the second phase of Woodlands, and it's all going to be one big neighborhood. Now, one of the things that I love about this neighborhood is that they've got their own playground, and on one side you come out at Matt Arthur Primary School and Matt Arthur Elementary, and on the other side you've got Veterans High School. Now, like I said, if you're military and you're relocating to the Warner Robins area, you're only about 15 minutes away from the main gate at Robins Air Force Base. And if you're civilian and you love shopping, you're about 10 minutes away from Bonaire, Kathleen, and Warner Robins shopping all up and down Highway 96, Watson Boulevard, and Russell Parkway. And if you got a fetish about playing golf, you can go right down 127 back to Houston Lake Road, and Houston Lake Country Club is right there next to Houston Lake. But you're here for the houses, so let's go take a look at these gorgeous mansions and see if there's some place that you want to make home. Now, this house that we're in is one of Driger's Home Builders all brick luxury houses. So we're going to take a look at this one, and then we're going to go over to the Trinity and see how big those mansions are. As you open the door to this gorgeous 4-bed, 3-bath house, you'll already notice the formal dining room right here to the right side. Now, the LVP flooring is a beautiful addition to this house because it's easy to maintain, waterproof, and it'll last a long time. Let's step over here to the first bathroom, right inside the door, and then right in the front of the house, you've got a bedroom/office. Now, I personally love these houses because they're all brick, and almost every one of them has got a good fireplace to get romantic. You'll notice this huge open floor plan with the coffered ceilings definitely gives it an elegant look. Now, these Driger's Home Builders models are all brick, 4 and 5 bedroom, 2 and 3 bathroom, and 22 to 2,600 square feet. And right now they're anywhere from about $350,000 up to $450,000. So anywhere else you would end up with a whole lot less house for the money. Now, right outside the kitchen door, you've got your huge 2-car garage with attic access. And if you watch my other videos, if you want to make an offer on these houses, like I said, they've got a phase 2 that's getting ready to come in. So they've got to get rid of these before they can start the rest of them. So we can put in an aggressive offer and hopefully get a better deal, because they've got to get rid of these before they start on the next phase. Now, this is what I like, the laundry room on the first floor. I would hate to drag the washer and dryer up to the second level. Now, this is one unique point about their Driger's floor plan, is you've got bedroom, official bedroom 1 with bathroom, and then official bedroom 2, which means the bathroom is a Jack and Jill. And over on the other side of the house, meaning this is a split floor plan, we've got the master suite. And this is a huge, looks like about a 12 by 14. Barn door entrance into the luxury ceramic tile bathroom. And would you look at the shower? This thing is huge, with the matching granite countertops on the bathroom sinks, and then a huge soaking tub. And then all the way in the back is a huge walk-in closet, big enough for everything. Well, I hope you like this tour of the Driger's model all brick homes in the Woodland Subdivision. Next, we're going to go over to the Trinity homes and see those luxury mansions and see if there's something that you want to make home.